Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to auto-assign tasks with AI rules in Asana. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to auto-assign tasks with AI rules in Asana, all you gotta do is simply go to Asana. Once you're in your Asana, all you gotta do now is simply get logged into your account. So to auto-assign tasks with AI in Asana, you need to use the Use AI option that is a variable within your rules action, providing clear instructions for Asana AI to dynamically pick the best assignee based on task details like type, priority, or keyword after a trigger like task creation or custom field change, creating truly smart, context aware assignments beyond fixed individuals. So, by doing this, you will be able to auto assign task with AI roles in Asana. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.